Okay, I'd like to get started here. We are going to work through the installation of QGIS. You should have downloaded from the QGIS folder, and you should have these directories, and under software downloads you should have the QGIS software. If you don't have that, you can go out to find it. You go to Google and type QGIS. Go to the GIS portal, download now, and depending on whether you're a 32-bit or 64-bit system, just click and get your download. You can see here this is going to take my computer, it's 181 megabytes there, so it's about 40 minutes on this machine. But since we already have that one, now just go to the setup, and again you can see it's a 185 megabytes. Just double click and the installation should begin shortly. We just want it to acquire. Next, agree to the license. Usually best to just let it put things where it would like to. You do want to select all of these. You'll notice that when it reaches this point, we have a new set of icons on the desktop. There's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new icons. And then we're going to go ahead and go put the North Carolina data on. Now these data sets we'll be using throughout the course as examples. Okay, and when we've got the North Carolina data set, we'll upload the South Dakota data set. It's quite a bit smaller. And now we'll try for the Alaska, and it fails. So for the Alaska set, we already have the data, but if you look at your QGIS, will be under the GIS database folder. In this database folder is the QGIS sample data. This is the data for Alaska. You can see it's got some indications of Alaska in there. If you don't have those, what we can do is go out to where you are downloading, and down here at the bottom you can click for data sets and sample data. Sample data, it's right here. You can see it says QGIS sample data zip, and that'll come down. That's 21 megabytes. So you can download that from there and then unzip that. Look through the process. We'll go back to the setup. Okay, it's been installed. Close the wizard, and we now should be running program as it initially starts up. You should get a screen that looks like this. The next thing that we need to look at is making sure that we've got the plugins that are of interest, and so we will go through that in the next section.